Continuing on in this energy about the star and the duck. The star 25, 50, they're going to experience a big change, a new beginning, but there's going to be some sort of loss associated with it, or the loss is the beginning. Um, and I'm getting that this person might have been expecting to lose something different than what it actually is that they're losing. And the duck, while they seek to go beyond and sort of like win big as opposed to break even, it's like for this duck energy, it will feel more like breaking even because something is being served to them. They're getting some sort of karma, like that serving could be like literal or figurative. Because I'm getting a few different things. There's something about like serving papers, but there's also something about like food being served to this person. Oh, I almost I almost said, I was thinking about it and it was crazy. I almost said poison, food being served to this poison. Oh, that's what it is. That's why. That's the karma that way. It's like someone wants to poison this person in some way because this person is themselves poison. So they'll be getting a taste of their own medicine, and the other person, the star, will be losing what they were fighting so hard to keep. And there's a little thing with the dinosaur. It says unearth a story. Unearth a story. There's something about public knowledge and public records, and something about news and journalism. Someone leaking something to the press that, like, yeah, it's more than that.